Namaste. So, Mr. Javed Akhtar, the great lyricist and scriptwriter and screenplay writer, is finally getting a taste of his own medicine. His own tribe, his own community, has cancelled him for some annual Urdu event that was supposed to be held in Kolkata on August 31st this year. That event has now been postponed indefinitely. So, a gentleman named Zillur Rahman Arif, the General Secretary of the Jamia Ulema Kolkata, publicly branded Javed Akhtar as a shaitan and said that he is an anti-Muslim. Mr. Akhtar must have realized a bitter truth bitterly at his age, that karma will definitely boomerang. And how it is boomeranged? Pushing Islamic propaganda into Hindu minds for several generations by equating the sacred symbol Om with 786 and showing that only Billah number 786 has the power to save a Hindu life. Pushing this sort of vile propaganda will have long-term consequences. I hope Mr. Javed Akhtar has learned this lesson bitterly. But we have to really pity Mr. Javed Akhtar because he became irrelevant long ago, but he continues to live in denial by pretending that he is some sort of a heroic victim of various fundamentalist forces. The only relevance that Mr. Akhtar had was that he was part of the Urdu literary circles, but even that door has been closed to him now. And for all his iron pumping of Billah number 786, Mr. Akhtar's current reality clearly shows that nothing could save him from getting invited and then getting disinvited to a literary event organized by his own peaceful community. That should teach him a lesson or two about being a self-proclaimed atheist. So all I can say is that Mr. Javed Akhtar, please get well soon. Namaste.